What if you could save 10 hours every single week using completely free AI tools? Most people are still doing tasks manually, while others are using AI to finish the same work in minutes. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful AI tools that can help you write faster, automate work, create content, and boost productivity completely free. The first tool is ChatGPT. This AI assistant can write emails, generate ideas, summarize documents, and even create scripts in seconds. Instead of spending hours researching or writing, you can simply ask ChatGPT and get instant results. Next is Trello AI. This tool is perfect for organizing your ideas and projects. It can summarize notes, generate content, and even help plan your work automatically. If you manage tasks, take notes, or plan projects, this tool can save hours every week. Next is Grammarly is like having an AI editor for everything you write. It automatically fixes grammar, improves clarity, and adjusts the tone of your writing. So every email, document, or message sounds more professional. Next is Canva, which makes graphic design incredibly easy. You can create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, and even AI-generated images in just a few minutes. Descript completely changes video editing. Instead of editing clips manually, you can edit your video simply by editing the text transcript. Runway ML allows you to generate and edit videos using artificial intelligence. You can remove backgrounds, create AI visuals, and generate effects without advanced editing skills. Perplexity AI works like a smarter search engine. Instead of browsing dozens of websites, it gives you clear answers along with trusted sources. Otter AI automatically records and transcribes meetings and lectures. That means you never have to manually take notes again. Tome can create full presentations using artificial intelligence. Just describe your topic, and it will generate an entire slide deck in seconds. Pictory allows you to turn scripts, blog posts, or articles into full videos automatically. AI tools are transforming the way we work. By using the right tools, you can save hours every week and focus on what really matters. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Growth Fuel Agency for more content about AI tools, productivity, and business growth.